Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn Shakespeare's global influence together, step by step. Shakespeare's plays are performed in more than 100 languages because his stories bend to fit any culture. A tale of feuding families or reckless ambition feels at home in any city. He even expanded English itself, coining words like lonely and eyeball that we still say daily. When a writer shapes the very language you speak, his influence is impossible to escape. Listen to the rhythm. Shakespeare wrote much of his verse in iambic pentameter, 10 syllables that beat like da-doom, close to a heartbeat. When a character stands alone and speaks their private thoughts to us, that's a soliloquy, a window straight into the mind. Hearing the meter and spotting soliloquies turns confusing text into living, breathing speech. Shakespeare's old words trip up many readers, but a few keys unlock most lines. Thou and thee simply mean you, and thy means your. Art is are, hath is has. The famous trap is wherefore. It means why, not where. So, wherefore art thou is asking, why are you, not where are you? Learn these, and the fog clears fast. Here's why Shakespeare travels so well. Take his story of two feuding noble families and reset it as rival crews in a modern city. The setting changes completely, but the doomed young love and senseless feud stay intact, because that conflict is universal. Adaptations like this prove the bones of his plots are strong enough to wear any costume from any country or decade. Read Shakespeare with confidence using 4 moves. 1. Feel the iambic pentameter, 10 beats per line. 2. Treat soliloquies as direct access to a character's mind. 3. Translate the old words like thou, hath, and wherefore. 4. Find the universal theme that lets his work cross every border. Do these, and 400-year-old lines will speak to you clearly. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.